guys, today we're gonna tell how to fly in Do Theft War single player. Please like and subscribe to my video. First I will show you now just this tuk. Anyways, first you know how to fly. First go to Dude Mart. Oh, I don't like this moon gravity. I mean this tuk. I don't like this. Okay, so once you go to the Dude Mart, anyways, I don't care about this tuk. But it's gone. Okay, tuk. And ouch. Okay, that was good. Bad, but okay, we will go to Dude Mart. Before taking the pan, we need to take some money. Anyways, we gotta save the game too, so that you'll never waste your money. First, take a pan. Go near the gun shop. Very easy. This is too easier. But one more thing you need to. Before that, you gotta put Dude Bolt and also moon gravity. So this is how you can fly without any plane or helicopter. You can take this to go anywhere around this map, but not go out of the map. But anyways, first you got to catch this green button, which is the hand, and oh, come on, not again. See, we go up. But if you're just keep falling, but your pan is on the side, means you gotta move like this. This way also prevents you to fly. If you so, please like and subscribe. Bye.